Have you noticed an increase in ladybugs in your home lately, or on or in your windows and screens? It's one of nature's signs that winter's coming and to seek warmer and drier areas for protection. Ladybugs are often associated with love and happiness. They're cute to look at. In Japan, they're also associated with heaven and the afterlife. No one's ever really threatened by ladybugs. They're assigned by God to give us a moment to reflect on all creatures great and small. It's a nice little reminder to praise God in all things.